Hey everyone! Today we're checking out what might be the best budget laptop of 2025, the MALLRACE AX17. This bad boy packs a massive 17.3-inch display, 16GB RAM, and 512GB SSD, 12th Gen Intel power, all for just $399. But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's find out. First impressions. Sleek silver metal body. No cheap plastic here. Weighs 6 lbs. Heavy for portability, but standard for 17-inch laptops. Thin bezels make the screen look even bigger. Full keyboard with numpad. Perfect for spreadsheets. The 17.3 FHD IPS Display, 1920x1080, resolution looks sharp, colors pop, thanks to IPS technology. Decent viewing angles. 720p webcam gets the job done, but heads up, brightness could be better, tough to see in sunlight. Under the hood, Intel Alder Lake N97, up to 3.6 GHz, 16GB DDR4 RAM handles multitasking like a champ. 512GB SSD means Windows 11 boots in 10 seconds. For gaming, Intel UHD graphics can handle Minecraft, GTA 5, low settings, Valorant, playable. Don't expect to run Cyberpunk on this. Real-world battery life. 6,000 mAh battery, equal 5-6 hours normal use. Cooling fan is audible but prevents overheating. Connectivity options: 3x USB 3.2 ports, HDMI output, Type-C, data only, TF card reader, fast, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Real-world battery life. 6,000 mAh battery, equal 5-6 hours normal use. Cooling fan is audible but prevents overheating. Connectivity options: 3x USB 3.2 ports, HDMI output, Type-C, data only, TF card reader, fast, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi. Why, you'll love it. Huge display for the price, surprisingly good performance, premium metal build, deal breakers, mediocre battery life, heavy to carry, not for hardcore gamers. Perfect for students' office work, casual users, not for professional creators, hardcore gamers at $399, an absolute steal. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews.